Welcome to this video on Python programming. We'll cover the introduction, integrated development environments or IDEs, features and uses of Python. Python is a dynamically typed, general-purpose programming language, supporting both functional and object-oriented programming approaches. It was invented in 1989 by Guido van Rossum. Python is an interpreted, high-level language and can be downloaded from its official website, python.org. Various platforms and online compilers can be used to run Python programs. There are many integrated development environment software available for Python, such as Ideal, PyDev, Eric, Eclipse, PyCharm, Atom, Wing IDE, Komodo Edit, Spider, Thonny, PyScripter, and Visual Studio Code. Python is simple, easy to understand, interpreted, and platform-independent, making debugging easy. It is an open-source programming language with extensive library support, including NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow. Python is used in data visualization, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. It's also used to create web applications, handle databases, and perform complex mathematical operations in business and accounting. Thank you for watching this video. You can contact H.B.INSTITUTE for accounting, computer training, and English proficiency classes. Our contact details are provided on the screen.